complied with. This witness mentioned many times over that the subject of the investigation is the statement of the Vice President that she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker. There's no basis for the objection on this.
Your Honor, may I ask for a readback? He was the only party who said that, Your Honor.
He used the third party referring to opposing counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor.
May I ask, Your Honor, for
Let the counsel for defense finish his statement.
may I ask, Your Honor, for a reading of the transcript, as the witness, to my recollection, never mentioned that the Vice President did those things.
If I may, Your Honor,
Counsel, kindly lay the basis.
Yes, Your Honor, please. Now, Mr. Witness, you said that your office, the NBI, conducted an investigation for a statement made by the Vice President noong Nobyembre 23, taong 2024. Naalala mo yun?
Objection, Your Honor.
What is the basis of the objection?
Your Honor, it's leading.
Your Honor, please, if I may, Your Honor,
Do
please.
you remember?
Leading, Your Honor. If I may, Your Honor, please, I'm just giving in to what the defense wants. The record will bear me out. This witness mentioned so many times over that he investigated the statement of the Vice President uttering that she already contracted a person. The whole nation is listening.
The chair will
Your
make a
Honor,
ruling.
so many words leading.
The chair will make a ruling. The objection is overruled earlier. Chair noted, I have it in my notes, that the question was propounded by counsel with respect to the 11/23/24 incident that was the subject matter of a digital forensic examination by the witness pertaining to the former Vice President. That was the instance, if the counsel will recall, that counsel for the prosecutors asked the witness if he knew who the Vice President was.
Sometimes we have to bend the law to please the
Your
people.
Your Honor, may I
Mali ka po
state
dyan.
for the record, my objection is on the part of the question where he
abiding the
said
people
that the
who pay you.
Vice President
Kaya kung ako sa
hired someone to kill the President, the First Lady, and the Speaker of the House, not on the identification of the Vice President.
Noted. Court already made a ruling. Witness will answer.
Mr. Witness, naalala mo ba yung tanong?
Tinutulan namin yung mga salita mo dahil yan ang mga inventong mga
Kindly repeat the question, counsel.
ang siyang
In what
nagpapakulo sa ating
particular
lipunan.
portion
At ang mga tao ay lalong
of the
nagiging
subject video?
walang agam-agam o hindi sila nag-iisip ng
Online
maayos
media
dahil
conference,
ang akala
the
nila
Vice
lahat ng
President,
sinasabi ng katulad mo
did she
ay
act
totoo. Ito po ay kabaligtaran sa
She
ginagawa ninyo.
already contracted a person to
Ang
kill
ending the law is
President,
protecting
the First Lady,
person's
former Speaker.
decision.
In what portion?
Objection, Your Honor.
Here's action.
Your Honor, this honorable court already ruled on this question. The discussion later on was on the leading question made by
na
the
nagbubunyag
prosecutor.
ng mga lihim.
If you recall, Your Honor, this honorable court
Diyan
said
sa hanay ng mga senador, sa hanay ng mga public official ay inyong hinahadlangan at kinakasuhan ninyo para hindi siya makapagpatuloy sa pag-iimbestiga upang malaman ng taong bayan kung ano ang kanyang mga pinagagawa sa kaban ng yaman.
Do you know if at all the timestamp that pertains to any statements made by the Vice President pertaining to any of the allegations in the articles of impeachment,
Paano
particularly Article 4, the
mapaparusahan itong mga
in relation to
politiko
alleged threats
sa pagkurap o pagwaldas o paggamit
Yes, Your
ng
Honor, but may I refer to the investigators
pera ng taong bayan.
do so? Senator Cayetano,
Mga kababayan, maliwanag naman,
Alan
kasikat ng araw.
May I know from the records?
Halimbawa na lang, hindi na lang halimbawa kasi totoo to eh.
Mentioned that the Vice
5,500
threats
flood
against the
control
President,
project na pinagmalaki noong SONA ni BBM.
Your Honor, if I may.
After 2 days, umulan. Simpleng ulan, bumaha ang kamay nilaan at ibang panig ng ating bansa.
Whether it's from
May
the
nagawa
judges,
ba
whether it's
yung
from
5,500 flood control project na yan? Wala. At nagsimula
So,
itong
meaning you laid the
mag-discover
basis. Simply,
sa
you
pamamagitan
ask him, ano yung
ng
laman ng
Vizcaya
video?
family
Pag
dahil
binanggit na
sa
niya
pag-interview
na may ganito sa laman
ng
ng video,
taga-ABCBN.
then you can ask him na
So,
directly what.
dahil sa pagsisiwala
So, all
ng
of us want
Vizcaya
expedite it, but
na
let's follow the
mayroong
rules.
mga kaugnayan
So that's why
o
I'm asking,
koneksyon ang mga nasa
this afternoon,
lower house at also
I missed a
diyan
portion
sa
because I have a headache
mga
and I
senador.
had to eat before I
Ano
take
nangyari?
medicine, but I was watching the
Pinatahimik
TV.
ang
At
naglalabas
hindi ko pa
ng
narinig
katotohanan,
na sinabi niya to. Kasi kung hindi ko na
hinahayaan,
sinabi,
binibigyan ng
Mr. Presiding
pabor
Officer, can we just
ang
follow
mga
the rules
tao
and just lay
at
the basis,
mandirambong
ask him
na
kung ano naman
naglalatag
ang
ng
video,
kasinungalingan.
let him testify, tapos pag binanggit nila,
Kung gusto natin mabago itong ating bansa, tayo po mamamayan ay dapat the vanguard of democracy. Ano po yung vanguard of democracy? Tagapagsulong, tagapanguna ng demokrasya. At yung tagapagsulong o tagapagpanguna ng demokrasya, tayo po ang dapat na nasusunod. Naandyan po yan sa Article 2, Section 3. Supremacy of civilian authority over the military. At nandyan po rin sa preamble yan. We, the sovereign Filipino people, tatanggalin ko na po yung imploring deed of Almighty God. In order to build a just a human society and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations. Maliwanag ang sinasabi noong mga talata na yan na ang mamamayan ay the vanguard of democracy o tagapagpanguna ng demokrasya.
Tanong.
Pero bakit tayo sinisikil mamamayan? Dahil tayo ay pumapayag sa pamamagitan ng bending dalo. Natatakot tayo na tayo ay lumabas katulad ng ginagawa namin na nandito kami, nagtitiis kami para isulong itong demokrasya na hindi ang ating demokratikong pakikibaka ay hindi ipitin, hindi supilin pagkat ito ay mandato natin na dapat nating tumindin. Pag sinabing tupin, tayo ay tatalima na magkaisa para ipakita sa administrasyon na to na ang mamamayang Pilipino ay parte lamang ng demokrasya kung pakikibaka sa pamamagitan ng maayos na pagtitipon at pamamahayag. Kami po ay hindi mga New People's Army ng mga alayan. Kami po ay mga tao na simple at ordinaryo na nabase at sumusunod lamang sa ating mandato sa saligang batas. At yan po ang aming sinusunod. Ang anumang ibig sabihin ng aming pagtitipon dito ang pamamayag ay hindi po parte yan ng personal na ideology, kundi ito ay national ideology na gusto namin masolusyonan ang korupsyon, ang katiwalian at anomalya na pinagagawa ng ating mga representante na ating ibinoto. Sayang ang ating pagsusumikap na masolusyonan ang korupsyon, katiwalian at anomalya. Tayo ay hindi nagkakaisa dito sa larangan ng ating pagtitipon. Ang pagtitipon ay isang kapangyarihan natin. Ang pamamahayag ay kapangyarihan natin. Ating itong ipagkakatiwala o tayo ay isasantabi ito. Tayo po na mismo ang gumagawa ng kadahilanan na maalipin at mabalikula nitong pamahalaan ni BBM.
Ilang days na kayo dito nag-stay?
Mula Mayo 11 hanggang sa ngayon, almost 2 months na kami dito.
Can I refer for my notes to
dito lang?
identify
Yes po,
the exact
dito lang.
statement because I might
Simula nung May
say a
11,
statement that's not part of
Nandiyan na po kami sa site na yan, yung malapit sa gate na yan. At sumunod, May 13, nandito na po kami sa gilid. Pag dinidisperse kami, nagpupunta kami dito sa Center Island. And the last thing, noong
the specific statement,
June
quote and quote,
June 17,
yes, huwag kang mag-alala ma'am sa security ko kasi may kinausap na
Nandiyan na
ako
po
na
kami sa
tao.
gilid na.
Sinabi ko sa kanya,
So,
kapag
kami
pinatay
po
ako,
ay
patayin mo si PF,
nandito
sa
kung
Araneta
nagpapaawa.
at si Martin
Pero
Romualdez.
humihingi
No
kami
joke,
ng
no
inyong
joke.
limos
Nagbilin na ako,
na
ma'am.
maintindihan
Pag namatay
kami.
ako, sabi
Dahil
ko,
kayo,
huwag kang tumigil hanggat
siya,
di mo silang mapatay.
kayo at ako,
Hanggat
parte po
minsan
tayo
sila. And then
ng
he said
ating
yes.
konstitusyon na ang mandato ay tupdin natin, magkaisa tayo bilang isang demokrasya at demokratikong
Now,
pamamahayag. Diyan po
In
tayo
what
dapat magkaisa.
particular portion of that video recording that you authenticated of that online media briefing